Jake, have you seen my water bottle?
Nope. Did you pack it in a box?
I don't think so. Wait. You had it this morning, I thought.
No.
Oh, whatever. I need to leave soon, so I need to find it. Jake, give me that. I knew you had it.
Oops.
Anyways, I have to go. Goodbye, Jake.
Bye, May.
I'm so excited to move into my house. I've been waiting forever, it feels like. My nails are starting to look old. All right, let's load all of this into the car. Whoa! I'm finally here. I'm very nervous and excited to go in there. All right, here we go. I'm going in. Wow, this is amazing. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to my room. Okay, I should do my hair and take a relaxing bath. I don't feel like taking a shower. That was relaxing. Now I'm just gonna go to bed. Good morning. I need to get ready and go into town. I got my nails done finally. I think they look so good. Huh? What's that? Oh my gosh, I love this car. I'm definitely getting it. I love sitting on the couch after a long day with new nails and hot cocoa. It's been an amazing day. I think I might go to bed soon. I love these nails. I can't get over them. Who could that be? Hello.
Hi.
My name is Franklin. I heard you were new here, so I just came to say hello.
Ah, hi.
Hi.